Hey, fellas, wait up. I want to go south with you, but I'm pooped. How about a 10-minute west break? Oh, boy, I'm gonna quack up. Look out! I want to go south for the winter, but I'm too little to keep up with the others. My little wings just won't cut the mustard. See what I mean? You'll help me? Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Ready for takeoff! Whee! Hey, mister! The airplane left without me. I'll hold on tightly this time. Whee! Hey! Are you going south with me? Oh, boy! Hang gliding is fun! I don't have to use my little wings. Whee! A perfect landing. But I don't believe we're down south yet. How long will it take us to walk there? Mr. Pelican, we're going south too. How about a lift?
Why not?
Oh, boy! There's nothing like flying first class.
Uh-oh.
What are you doing with them? Give me a hand with these kids.
I'm sorry, fellas, but I've got problems of my own.
Airmail to sunny Florida. Oh, boy! So long, fellas. I'll see you in Fort Lauderdale. Hey, fellas, wait up. Wait for me, huh? It's lonesome in here all by myself. Let's all go south together. Okay, fellas? Are we ready for takeoff? Oh, boy! I believe we made a couple of miles, fellas. We've only got about 2,000 to go now.
Fee-fi-fo. Foo-foo? No. Fa-fa. How's that go? Oh, thumb. Yeah, that's it. Fee-fi-fo-thumb. I smell strangers. How much? Where is that lazy, good-for-nothing, worthless watchdog?
You called, Master?
Yeah, you useless, freeloading flea bag. Strangers up in the castle. Go get 'em.
They're as good as got, Master.
Yeah, so the sooner you get 'em, the sooner you'll eat. So, stick 'em.
Doggone! What a time for fleas! Cat and mouse fleas? Hey, you must be the stranger. Oh boy, we're drifting south. Get off, you freeloader! We're losing altitude.
Hey, stop shouting!
Oh boy, we're gonna quack up again. Air freight to Florida. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Oh boy, we're on our way. I think we just landed. Boy, that was a quick trip. Oh boy, if this is the Southland, I want to go back north and freeze. Gee, thanks for the lift, mister.
Yeah, don't mention it, kid. I'm going as far as Miami. I got a big job planned there. I got a job there.
Wow, I hear a policeman. Oh boy, we're going south real fast now.
We got you, Blackie. Pull over.
We were just hitching a ride south, sir.
Hitchhikers, eh? Don't you know it's not a good idea to hitch a ride with anyone?
Oh boy, I believe we're gonna make it this time. Oh boy, look! There goes my flock. We'll be there before they are. Oh boy, we made it! We have arrived! Let's grab his hands. Boy, oh boy, oh boy! This is the wife, isn't it, gang? Hey, fellas, it's my friends. Come on down! I want you to meet somebody. Aren't my friends swell?
I gotta get before I get to eat. Oh boy. One splat, and it's my din-din time. Yow! Huh? I can get you two blindfolded. Yow!
much.
With my canine instincts, I'll splatter them with my eyes closed. Gotcha! I splattered them good, Master. Yikes! Sorry, Master.
You ought to be. Fee, fi, fo, fee, foo.
Fum!
Oh, yeah, fun. And there they are, in my cream cake.
Let me at him! I'll get him! I'll get him! Aha! Now what'll I do with you? Let me think. Something'll hit me. Ouch! You and your dumb golden eggs. Looks like I lost them. But I know how to find them with this magic hop. Okay, magic hop. Do your stuff. Your wish is my command, dearie. I wish you'd put that cat and mouse in my hand. At once. Huh?
Oh, boy, it's raining gold. And cats and mice too. And a no-count watchdog.
I can explain, Master.
Later, how much? Right now, I gotta count all this free gold. Free gold. Hey, this is my gold. How much? You get them or else.
I almost got him now. Oh, well. Might as well catch him the easy way. Here I come, ready or not. Gotcha.
You outsmarted Houndmutt, but not me. I got you trapped. Gotcha!
Don't forget, Master, a dog is a giant's best friend.
Oh, yeah? Well, I just forgot that. Get me out of here, you worthless watchdog!
Sorry, Master. I just quit. Let's get out of here before he really gets mad, fellas.
You can't escape me!
Your wish is my command.
Swell. How about flying us out of here? Wow! I feel like a bird dog. Hey, I got a great idea. Let's go to your place. Oh, boy. My new little home with my new little masters. This calls for a celebration. What say we eat? No food? No problem, masters. How's about a 7-course dinner? With all the trimmings? Coming up. Right, Magic Harpy?
Righty-dighty, Houndmutty.
Wow!
Wow!
Eat up, masters, 'cause this is just a snack. Till din saved.